We're team PORT69, and this is a final project for Compy 172 with Andrew Bond, fall semester 2018. So we're gonna go ahead and give you guys a demo of our application. Robert's gonna go ahead and start it off.
Okay, so I'm going to start by logging into our main portal. This portal gives the user access to the other apps that we connect to using Okta, as well as allows the administrators access to the employee database. So I'm gonna navigate to my profile, and as you can see, it has information that we access to the ID token that Okta provides us, as well as shows the groups that I'm in that we define in Okta. So I'm going to look at the tools that I can use as a developer, which is Jenkins and DigitalOcean. And I also have access to the employee database as an administrator. So I'm going to search up an employee by ID. Let's say this employee. Okay. And I can also look up for an employee by last name. Say the employees with Smith and their last name. So now I can also look at the employee's salary history. So that same employee with the ID 2777. Okay, and say I want to give that employee a very significant pay cut. So now they're only earning $2. And as you can see, the end date for their past salary is changed to the current date. And I also want to terminate their salary. So the end date for this salary is now changed to the current date. And we can also show our integration with Jenkins. So as you can see, we have two pipelines here. One for our homework 2, which was our Twitter homework app. And the other one is for our main landing page. And what I can also show you here is the integration with Github. So this is one of our the HTML page for one of our for the pages on our main landing page. And so what I can do here is I can change this on the nav bar, save it, go to Git, add the file, and then push it onto our repo.
I didn't do that on purpose. I could just do that.
Let me commit it first.
I think that's only one we can try. So yeah, sure. What's the header file? Oh, it's just that. I already have that. Okay.
Master. Okay. So now, in just a moment, we should see the build start on this, on the left bar here. So we'll give that a second. Just check back here. Okay. And now the build is starting. We can go to DigitalOcean. Go to this one. See that it's running here too. We see the commit message that we used from Git. And we can also look at the steps here. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to log out and pass it on to Vivian to show the rest of our features.
Okay, so I'm gonna log into my account. So if you look at my profile, you can see that I'm part of the developers group and everyone group. So I have a different authorization than Robert. I'm not an administrator, so I can't access the employee database. And what we can do is access DigitalOcean. I can also SSO into that. I can also go to Jenkins, and my name is going to be right here. And here on DigitalOcean, you can see that the droplet that everything is being hosted on is on this IP address, which is the same as this address.
Oh.
And then I can also access my social media applications. So this Twitter application is something we built for a homework assignment for this class. And it's also linked with SSO. So once I sign in from the main page, I'm already signed into here as well.
Is this another type? Yeah.
So first feature is profile details. There's an API call to Twitter that pulls up all the details of my account. We can also look at the timeline. These are the 5 most recent tweets from people that I follow. And update status. We can post a new tweet onto my account. And then if we go to the official Twitter page, which is also linked to my Okta account through SSO, you can see that my tweet was successfully posted. Another feature that we have is a search for top 100 tweets. So I can just heart this. Oh, and you can also see in this console here the JSON object of the 100 tweets. And then you can see my API call on the tweet with the ID. So I just favored it. I can also retweet it. And then if we go to my profile and refresh, you can see that this tweet was retweeted.
Go back to like the MP3 thing in like 30 minutes.
Did I not heart it?
After I finish my report. Oh yeah, sure.
I think I hearted a different one.
Okay.
Let me try that again. Okay, so you can see that my heart went through. And then likewise we can unheart it. And then the heart went away. And then we can also untweet it. So the tweet's gone. And that's essentially the demo of our app. Alright, thank you for watching.
Nice.
Bye.